So it's hard to see, but maybe you can see down in there just a whole bunch of eggs in each cell. And that's because this hive has laying workers. And that means that there's no queen here. And since there's no queen, and there wasn't for a while, some of the worker bees started laying eggs. And those eggs can become drones. They can become males because they're unfertilized, but they're not very good. They don't develop well, and they cannot become workers or a queen because they're unfertilized. And an unfertilized egg for bees becomes a female, and a fertilized egg becomes a male. So this is really sort of nature's last-ditch attempt to spread the genetics of this hive. This hive will produce drones, as many as it can, even though they're inferior drones, and it will die. This hive will die because it doesn't have a queen, and it won't accept a queen. If I put a queen in here, they would kill it. There are ways to get them to accept one, but it requires a lot of work and a lot of resources from other hives by taking brood out of other hives to suppress the laying urge in the workers from this hive, and it's just not worth doing. So what I will do with this hive is I will dump it out. I'll dump all the bees out on the ground, and I will close the hive up, and the bees from this hive will assimilate into other hives. And that's the best I can do with this hive at this point. And what's good is that I have a nuke over there behind the bucket, or behind the bin, that needs a place to go, so it can go into this hive once it's been emptied out.